Okay, so second video, I will press the mode button during 5 seconds. Okay, the one is starting. As you can see here, it stops the circulation pump. It empties the main rack, which means that the outlet where the pipe is connected to go into the tank is outside of any water flow. And you will see here the level is moving up because the feeding pump is properly working, but still nothing moving here. So, and the noise you just hear is the bedding I've been obliged in emergency to put back into the tank to compensate the fact that the rack is not working. So it is the feeding pump is properly working, but it never reached the level of the pipes where the final stuff is in the tank, and you can see here just doing some bubbles. And I don't know how long it should stay that way, but it's still in one. So I don't know what to do. Maybe what can be interesting, it ends up with stopping. And usually after that kind of test, in a few minutes, it starts to ring, and the first LED at the top, so this one here, start to be red, and I have to unplug the jack for the sensor and put it back. And then it's usually stable for a certain period of time. But more or less each time I've got a problem. And as you can see here, nothing outside of the, so the feeding pump is just used to refill the tank. So I suppose that when I will put it back, or it will go back into standard operations, it will be fine, but still in one. I don't know how long it's supposed to take, but usually in fact I switch it off and back on. So tell me if I should do something different. So I switch it off, I switch it back on, and there normally we should see that there we've got something happening. But I don't know if it's the way it is supposed to work. And here, as you can see, it will fill the stuff. And the sensor will be down, and it will stop the arrival of CO2 in a few seconds. Done. So it's clean. And in terms of parameters, I've got 180 for the water flow per 24 hours, 70 for the degassing cycle, 60 for the circulation pump. I see nothing wrong here, so please help. Thank you very much.